Hi everybody, my name is Douglas. I'm here on Lichess. Gonna play a quick game, Blitz, and share some of my thoughts as I go along. Um, so this is the kind of classic opening I like to start with that I've been used to. So I kind of, as white, like to open up the middle a little bit, and then um, either I like to take there or move the knight. So takes, I like to bring out my queen, and then sometimes I go back, sometimes I move my knight over. Depends on how aggressive this person is and what they've always said. I've been reading a couple books lately about developing pieces and not moving the same pieces twice. So it looks like he's going to come up here with either his pawn or bishop there to get two. So maybe I was thinking bishop up to c4, but I think I'll just move it here. It's kind of trapped my queen there. Yeah, bishop up. Okay. Sometimes they like to chase him around. Just slide it over. And then maybe get castled or do the fiend ghetto. I've been trying to figure out some fiend ghetto videos, or Chess Network always has some good videos that I like to watch. How am I doing on time? Pretty good, about a minute. Say we're still at the opening area. A couple more moves will be in the mid game. So he's targeting there, maybe moving so he doesn't bring up, maybe moving up here or castling. Yeah, I'll move this up first and then castle. And then the bishop up, and then that'll probably be about the mid game. So yeah, he wants to, I gotta make sure I'm not losing too many of these squares with the queen. Move back, up, over. Yeah, just back. Running out of squares there. Over, up. Okay, just go back. And now fiend ghetto. So what's their best move? What are they gonna do? Still pressing. So yeah, they're going for this, chasing my queen around. Up, up, up. We'll just go here, give my queen another safe spot. Maybe put my knight on f3. It's always a good spot for protection. And then put my bishop up. And then castle. I was also reading about balances. I thought that was interesting to keep the opponent on their toes and unbalanced. I think confidence is one of those things too. Just getting confidence by playing. So yeah. Oh wow, that was a big time error. Easily should have seen that with the pin. So obviously gotta take and then castle. Let's see. Now I gotta get tricky. Alright. That was an easy pin that I should have noticed. So that's a blunder, obviously. Obvious blunder there. Let's see. What else can we do? 3 minutes. I want to just push, get this knight moved. Yeah, do I want to take? Obviously he wants to take. So up, over. Okay. So when you're up, you always want to simplify your position. Let's go get our, so he's probably just going to go up. Let's get our rooks up. Go back over. Target that pawn over there. You just go up. So let's get this rook. Which one? Activated. let's go with, let's go this one or this one. Okay, let's go here. Let's see. Oh, I could put him in check. Now I could be getting his queen back, but then I'd be losing 2 pieces for the queen. I'd have 2 pieces left, and he'd have 3. That'd be a big time advantage, so I don't want to do that. So he's going for... Alright, so he's going to take with his queen. Let's see how this goes. Am I losing already? It doesn't have any other piece to support it. Maybe he was thinking his queen was supporting that. Do I want to just put my knight back over here on h2? Or do I want to become... So he's going to probably check me, go back. He's probably thinking of checking right there. So checking the queen with g4, taking the bishop. Now he's probably going up. Okay, castles. Should we just push this? He's going to take. He could take with his queen. Or do I want to go here? Try this. Looking at the pawn. Both pawns there. I've got 2 pieces. I got to get this knight a little bit tricky. I got this protected. And then... Should I get on this file again? Or do I want to move my bishop? Get back with the bishop, but over. Take, so... Let's see, he's going down there. Just mop up a couple of these pawns. And let's make a break for it for some of these pawns. See if I can support that one a little bit more. On E. So now he's kicked it. How far back? Here's a good spot with protection. Minute left. So I think I'm going to go here and then my knight. Let me protect it with my knight. He's probably going to be pushing his pawn. Or, yeah, just go for it. Pushing pawns. Push my pawn up. And my rook over. Oh, en passant. And then he would take my rook. I don't want to do that. Can I? My bishop. Ooh, that would have been a good one. All right. Let's go here. He's going to take maybe here. Bishop. Oh, another blunder. All right. Let's see how far we can get with this pawn. I support it with the rook. That's what happens sometimes in this speed chess. You're just playing a little fast and can't support it in time, I don't think. Oh, let's go here. Gotta get my knight back in there. Yep. Knight up. Ooh, that's a good fork right there. Knight to D3. Does he see it? Is he moving one of his rooks? Do I take here? Could then he'd take. So let's go with this here. I'll take that. Okay, can I press him? Ooh, he's got to move his queen. He's got that. Take here. Oh, wow, that worked out well. Oh, he's got it. Yep, he should probably be able to convert this. Pre-move status. Let's see. What is he going to bring his king up? What is he thinking? Gotta move his king up. Just putting me in check. Maybe I should run this way. No. Stay over here. Yeah, I'll run this way. Nope. Oh, draw. Ooh, interesting. Well, I'll take it. 2 blunders. Those were obvious mistakes. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Looking at this analysis. Definitely know that there's 2 big time blunders. Easy mistakes. Take a draw out of that. Definitely learn from those mistakes. Let's see. First one was with the queen, right? Let's go to the beginning. First one was with the queen. And I should have probably went back with the queen there. But didn't seem too bad. Oh yeah, right there. Gosh, that was so, because I moved my knight. So he was kind of waiting on that. Oh, so I should have moved the queen back before. Okay. But sometimes I like to kind of play without the queen to see how I do. And then the other blunder was just the rook, moving the rook over. I think I still could have won this. It was right, where was it? Right here. Just slides it over. Well, and that's when you get kind of pressured. Oh, or no, I just moved it back. Oh, because of time pressure. I had 1:34, yeah. And then a couple other errors with the time going down. I thought I had them there. That was, if you had a little bit more time to calculate, yeah, I think I could have won that time-wise. But anyways,